Covington, Newton County. How about we check in on our bridge replacement project on State Route 81 over Dried Indian Creek. Looks a whole lot different out here than it did just a couple months ago when you were driving on a bridge at this location. There's no bridge to drive on anymore. The contractor has demolished the old bridge. Most of the material from the bridge has been removed from the site. A little work still ongoing to remove the old asphalt here, but for the most part, we're out with the old. Now it's time to start focusing on the new. And the contractor is working on the new right now. This week they're drilling pilot holes for the pile part of the foundation. And you know, you can't build a bridge without a good foundation. Really, I don't know if you could build anything that's gonna last without a good foundation. So the foundation is important. They're gonna get that. Then they're gonna be building the new structure, the new bridge that you will be driving on later this year. So expect construction to continue throughout the summer, but guys, we're seeing some good progress out here and hopefully just a few more months worth of construction. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to drive safely.